Hello, guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video where we make Amazon affiliate marketing easy. So, today we are talking about something special, the top 5 niches on Amazon that you can supercharge your affiliate success. Now, you may be wondering why these niches. Well, it's simple. These are the hot spots, the areas where people are always looking for great product. Whether you are a pro or just starting, just a beginner, this niches offers ton of opportunities. So stick around as we break down to the secret of affiliate marketing niches. So you have to note that every year these niches change. For example, the last year it will be, for example, skincare. The top niche number one is skincare. This year will be technology and like this. So you have to stay updated. So, but I will give you the top five niches that you can work with, and you need to know that these niches are always at the top 10, and it's top 5 niches. Also, they have high commissions if you sell from those niches. The first one, of course, is technology, and we have fitness, and we have home products, and we have wealth and health and wellness. We have beauty, personal care, and now you know that those are very, very important niches on Amazon affiliate. Once I go here and search for top 5 niches on Amazon affiliate marketing, what is the highest, you will find those niches. Between those, first one, we have technology, we have wealth, we have health, we have fitness, we have here fashion and beauty. You can go with this as skincare or personal care, and you will find the other ones on the top 10. Now let's go back here. And the first of all, you need to know that if you don't have a niche that you will work on, you will find a lot of product that you will not know how to deal with. You will find a lot of product from home products. You will find a lot of product from technology, and you will find a lot of product makeup, fashion, skincare, a lot of things. So it's better to choose a niche first. And how to choose the niche, you need to choose the niche that you understand a little bit of. For example, if I go to home products, I understand a little bit of home products, and also home products has a lot of views and also has a lot of commissions. So once you go on TikTok and search for home products, you will find videos about home product from Amazon or from website, and you will find that those videos go viral, and there is people that asking where can I get those product for. You can just download those videos and put them on your um, profile and put the link and start posting videos about the product, and then here you go. Now what I will do is go here. I created this account just to see as an example. I found here this product are selling fast. Once I click, you will find out that here you have some kitchen and some kitchen product. You will, this is also a home product. You will find electronics, so technology. You will find here clothes, clothing, shoes, jewelry, fashion. You will find here movers and whatever is this. You will find here a lot of product, but you will find a lot, so you have to choose a niche so you know what to do. So for example, this is one product from a home product. What I will do is so easy. I will click on this product. For example, I want to sell this product, which is a washing machine, like portable washing machine, mini washer that you can take with you wherever you go. For example, I want to sell this one. What I will do is I will click in this, I will copy this, I will go here, and I will search for this, and they will give me these products. So it's the same one. I will click the comments. So people are interested in this product. So like you see here, where can I find one? How do you remove? How can I use it? So people are interested in this machine. Why can I do now is I can now download, copy the link of this video, and all I need to do is paste the link. So let's copy the link, and I will go to TikTok, download video. I will click on here. I will post the link, and here you go. This is the video. I will click on download. Now I will go to Pinterest. I will do the same. So also before I searched, I found one. So I will search for the same title, and I will focus on the same color. Oh, I passed the link of the, sorry. I will come here again. I will copy the link, come here, and I will post the link. And now I will find some videos or some pictures of that. I will download them. I can download them. Now I will search for some pictures because I will download the videos from TikTok. So I need high quality pictures. So I use Pinterest for that. Come here and download wherever I can. So there's colors. I will just download those. I can now go to Canva, and I will create account on Canva and design those pictures as a marketing for the product. Just click on product templates, and then I will go to my TikTok. I will do uh go to ChatGPT and ask him for a description, and also do some trending music and start posting those videos on my TikTok and Pinterest and post the link on my bio. So this is it, guys. Like you see, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and